What's up YouTube, this is 410 Auto Tech. I got a phone call from my wife when I was at work telling me the dryer stopped working. So I brought home some tools and we're going to figure out why this dryer is not working. And then we're going to order parts and then fix it. Or we'll fix it and then order parts. So here you go. Timer on. Hitting the button, nothing comes on. So here we go. Light's working. Switch right here. Seems to be working, so I don't think it's that. We're going to have to open up the back and check it out from there. So let's go. Alright, so we're going to have to take this piece off and check under here and take this off as well. So as you can see, it is a 1/4 inch socket. So let's take off all these bolts and check it out. So of course, while you're doing this, always have your electrical socket unplugged so you do not get damaged, you don't get harmed or damage anything in the house and cause electrical fire. We don't want that to happen. I'm trying to help you out. Let's continue. All the panel bolts are out. Disconnect your duct with a flathead. Alright, as you can see, here's your everything that comes out and sucks all that dust out. Your electrical devices in here. Your heat source right here. Some more connectors. Down here you have a thermal switch or a thermal resistor / fuse, and then more power sources. Alright, so first thing you want to do is check, make sure you have power across these two, and then these two at the same time. So it'll be 1 check, 2 checks, 3 checks. Alright, so here is this. Let's see what we got. 243 volts. So we're good there. So next, go in between here and check. So we're good right there. Now we're going to go from here to here and check right there. Let's see what we got. 221, so we're good. Know that this thermal expansion valve, thermal fuse always goes bad. You can do a quick continuity check and see what it is, but disconnect the dryer. You don't want to hurt yourself, so disconnect it and then we'll check it. We're going to go between terminal to terminal and make sure you get continuity. You got 0.2 ohms, so we're good. So it's not your thermal resistor. So we're going to move on to the next step. You can go between here and here, disconnect these two and do the same thing. As long as you get a continuity reading, you'll be good. If you don't, your issue probably could be here. But I don't think this is our issue, so we're going to move on to our next step. So your next step is just test for your push start button on this Kenmore. As you can see right here, you have a light blue wire and a light blue wire. So when you push the button, that little contact hits there and you should have continuity between these two light blue wires. And if you don't, you have an issue within that switch where it's not making contact. So let's check it out. Alright, so I've already disconnected it, so you're going to want to take a picture if you don't understand it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Goes in one way, light blue, blue. So we'd be going across these two terminals and going on continuity, and then once we have it on there, we'll hit the switch and automatically you should pick up a reading. If not, you gotta check inside that switch. As you can see, I'm touching it right there, and let's see our voltmeter reading. Should be have some type of continuity. There you go, it's saying OL, and that means it's an open circuit or extremely high resistance. So it's somewhere in our switch. We're going to take it open and take a look. There you go, that's removed. All you had to do is just pry in between these two things with a tab with a screwdriver and down there as well. And now we go check our switch. Alright, so I think I found our issue. You can see that tab is created some type of resistance on it. Same thing with that side. Got probably excessively hot. As you can see right there, some markings right there, so create maybe some high resistance. Same thing in there. So what I'll do is just try to take a little, take the screwdriver and scab some of it off, and then we'll recheck it. But end result, I think we're gonna find that it'll probably work, and then we'll have to replace this, and then we'll be good. So now we're gonna recheck it after I cleaned it off as much as I could and see what we get. Alright, so we're in between. We're gonna make contact, and as you can see, you can watch the meter move. There you go. There you go. That's what you want to read. I'm trying to hold it all at the same time. So let's put this back together real quick and test our theory out. And we should get at least it's to start. But we're not going to leave it like that. I'll replace it after the video. I got to get one, I guess, on order. And we should be good to go. So we're just going to reinstall it. Just kind of go in like that. Twist it. That tab, same thing. Remove it. Twist, pull, and you'll be good. Plug this back on. You hear it click now. So that's plugged in. We got our electrical socket. I just plugged that one back in. Let's hit it. Well, first of all, I'll put the timer on. There we go. We're good to go. So we know that our switch is bad. Contacts were bad. Clean it up. I highly recommend to install a new switch. You don't want to cause an electrical short out and cause catastrophic damage and cause damage to your home. So I highly recommend replacing that switch, and it will be good to go. We're good. I'm going to turn it off. So cool. We definitely fixed it. Definitely going to order that part. So I'm not going to use it, but I know that 100% that switch is faulty inside due to the contacts being worn out. Usually I wasn't going to do this kind of contact, but I like to do how-to videos, so this is a how to verify what component is bad on your Kenmore dryer. So I hope this helped anybody out there. I know it's not automotive related, but drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, and if I ever have any other things I gotta fix, I'll be sure to try to make a video out of it. Thank you. This is 410 Auto Tech out.